This video is sponsored by Wild Turkey. Let's make a cocktail. Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alicia, but I go by Lee, and let's wind down. I guess you could call it a nighttime routine. How do I kind of relax and settle into the space? And because it's cold outside, everything we're about to do is just gonna flow together so seamlessly. So I've already got the fireplace lit, so the vibes are going. It smells amazing in here. It's super cozy. So let's make a cocktail. And I don't care what anybody says, there's nothing better than whiskey in the winter. So I actually got a full cocktail kit from Cocktail Carrier. Although they did send me this, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion and we're gonna make this drink together. So tonight we're making a Wild Turkey Spice Fig Old Fashioned. Let me tell you something, all of those things, superior. After I travel, I'm kind of always like on edge because I guess it's like the anticipation and the wonder that goes into it, because especially when you're coming to a new place, which for me, I'm always going to a new place. Like I'm typically never traveling to the same spot. So this to me is just kind of like a great way to basically decompress, relax, and really kind of enjoy my evening so that I can start the new day fresh. I'm super excited about making this Spice Fig Old Fashioned with Wild Turkey whiskey. So let's grab the ingredients. And what's so great about this kit is that it literally comes with everything that you need to make the drinks. And you can order different kits depending on like how many people you want to serve. But for me, it was the mini kit for 2 to 3 people. So it's super easy and you get all of the directions that you need, along with a picture and the details of what your cocktail is supposed to look like. You heard it here first. It's the world's best cocktail delivered to your door. Brought to you by Cocktail Carrier. I'm definitely kind of like a no fuss kind of girl. So when it comes to like my wind down routine, less is best. This recipe calls for 2 ounces of the Wild Turkey bourbon, and that is a little bit more than one of these bottles. So I'm just gonna pour in one and a dash of another one. This would actually be perfect if I was gonna make 2 cocktails because I could double the recipe. But we can save the rest for later. Then I actually need to put in 1/4 ounce of the fig and allspice syrup, 4 dashes of aromatic bitters, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm adding some ice. Stir for 30 seconds. And then strain it. I made these super cute ice cubes because aesthetics. What's life without aesthetics? So we're gonna use one of these in the cocktail. And then garnish it with a clove and orange wheel. Oh. Cheers. Isn't she lovely? And she smells amazing. Spicy, but like warm. Let's taste her so I can tell you what I think about it. She's smooth. This is actually really, really good. It's slightly spicy, but not like hot spicy. This is a very balanced cocktail. It's slightly sweet, but it's also very smooth. But it kind of feels like warm and cozy, cuddly, almost like a hug. So I really think that it's kind of like the perfect either winter, holiday, party cocktail, or in my case, a wind down cocktail. So let's get ready for the evening while we sip slow. Let's make a cocktail. Okay, needless to say, it's about that time for the makeup to actually come off so that I can hop in the bed and go to sleep. I'm feeling amazing, super relaxed. I still have a little bit of my old fashioned. Let's just go ahead and start with makeup remover because I need to get this off, and then we're going to double cleanse because that's super important. Whenever I wear makeup, cleanse twice. Honestly, cleansing twice should be done on a regular. Can I call you Rose? Alright, so first up is the makeup remover. And literally just melts the makeup off. It makes it so easy to cleanse afterwards. Takes off mascara, all of the things. And now we cleanse. My makeup towels, always. And then I like to cleanse yet again. Because there's always makeup, always. You see it. Serums, which is a retinol. Then I'm gonna follow it up with some snail mucinin for that extra moisture. And then of course, some moisturizer. I really do keep my skincare routine pretty simple. I just find that my skin enjoys it and it works. And we can't forget about the lip mask. Skin on 10. Cheers guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.